Hi, this is Melissa McGraw from The Creative Potential. Today I'm going to be talking about broken links on your website. So have you ever come across a website and you clicked on the link and it came to a 404 error, or it says this link is broken, and you got like really frustrated because you really wanted to find out more about that page? Well, you didn't like it, and Google doesn't like it either. Google takes a look at your website to make sure there are no broken links, because what broken links indicate to them is that your site is not credible and trustworthy. And you want to make sure that Google knows that your site exists, so you have to clean up those broken links. And it happens to the best of us. Say, for example, you switch from WordPress to Squarespace like I did. There might be broken links that occur, or you are redirecting URLs, and that happens as a result of broken links. Also, if you are posting other information on your website, like say on your blog, and you're posting to another site, they move to another platform, it creates a broken or dead link, and you didn't even realize it. So I'm going to share with you a free SEO tool that I love called Deadlink Checker. And you can instantly check your whole website or even a web page to see if you have broken links on it and what you can do to clean it up. So let's get started. Okay, this is Broken Link Checker, or otherwise known as Deadlink Checker. And all you have to do is go to deadlinkchecker.com and put in either the whole website or the check single web page and hit check. You may come up with a CAPTCHA. You have to put in a code because they just want to make sure you're not a bot. I did this just for a time example. I put in a web page, this web page from Amazon, and I put it right into here, check single web page. Again, you could put the whole website. In this case, Amazon has a ton of URLs, and Deadlink Checker only checks 2,000 URLs here. So if you're trying just to check a large website with a lot of URLs, it won't necessarily do it, especially over 2,000. So I just wanted to do a page for Amazon. And what came up, and again, it's this page here, it just came up with one error on the page, and it looks like the error is coming up in one of their images. It's a compressed zip file that's not expanding. So that's what it's reading here. It's causing an error somewhere on the page. Again, I'm not quite sure which image it is. It could be this video here, but that's reading as an error on this page. Now I took another page from Amazon. This is the luxury beauty nails section, and I put it into the Deadlink Checker. Again, just a single web page, not the entire website, because even on this page alone, there are 337 URLs. Now 64 failed. You get a 403 forbidden error. That means that somewhere on this page here, and you can always click on it, you cannot get into the page at all. It's a forbidden link. So if you see that and you don't mean to have that on your website, you definitely want to make sure you fix that. The 503 service unavailable, that might be their server's a little slow right now on this page here. And you can always check it out. Again, another forbidden error here. You might see 404 errors, meaning it's a broken link. And that's what you want to make sure you're checking for 404 errors on your website. Broken links that maybe you have or you are linking to somewhere on your website or on your blog page. So this is a great free tool, again, up to 2,000 URLs that you can use at all times. You can also do multi-check, multiple websites here. You can also sign up for auto check, where it checks periodically for your site. I love this free tool. Again, you can just check to see what's going on the back end of your website and clean up those broken links of yours. Again, head over to deadlinkchecker.com.